Thank you for joining us from the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana. This is the planning briefing for Thursday, January 23rd, 2020. My name is Dan and I'm going to be stepping through the next week's worth of impacts for the Northern Rockies. So as we go look at our weather impact summary, it will again be, just as in recent days, relatively mild week. And we'll see some threats this week from black ice, from the freezing and refreezing of ice with temperatures well above normal. However, some of the mountain passes will still get occasional light snow, but pretty mild amounts for this time of year. And there'll be a wintry mix in the valleys, varying between some snow and some light freezing rain and just some plain old rain. And there may even be fog in the morning hours. Here's a look at our weather threat matrix. As you can see, there's a lot of yellow here, but don't let that deceive you. There's the impacts are fairly mild over the next week, and they're mainly going to be for the passes for snow, and then just some periods of freezing rain possibilities for valleys. But these are going to be fairly spotty and not very long lasting. So here's an illustration what I'm talking about with the light snow amounts that we're anticipating. Here's Lolo Pass through Sunday night, and you can see that there's a period tonight with some snow, and then also again on Friday morning with a little snow accumulation, and then Sunday morning some accumulation. So there's a lot of weather systems moving through, but none of them are really producing a lot of precipitation, and they're really weakening as they approach the Northern Rockies. Looking at more of a plan view, you can see here that the snow forecast expectations from tonight through tomorrow evening, only a couple inches here at Lolo Pass, a couple inches at Lost Trail Pass, and really there's not very many valley locations where we're even forecasting an inch of snow. So a lot of the precipitation here over the next several days is just going to be rain, freezing rain, and a little bit of snow, but it's just enough snow to even notice. So this is maybe a little bit more pertinent. Are we going to see a difference in the 6 to 10 days for our precipitation? And the answer is probably not. It looks like we'll continue to see regular precipitation. A good chance that it'll be above normal with continued Pacific systems moving onshore. And then also looking at temperatures, they don't look to be moving much at all either in the next 6 to 10 day period. So when we come back and have our next briefing on Sunday, it's probably going to look fairly similar to today in terms of impacts, temperatures, and our precipitation expectations. So thank you for joining us. That concludes our presentation. However, we invite you to call us if you have more specific questions about your area, and we'd love to hear from you at our following social media, YouTube, and our email address. Thank you and have a nice day.